Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2019 Grand Design Imagine 2670 MK double slide travel trailer with the outside kitchen. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Exterior length is 32 feet 3 inches. Exterior height to the large 15,000 BTU AC unit is 10 feet 11 inches. And the unloaded vehicle weight, or the empty weight when it came off the assembly line, is 7,056 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a one owner coach. The owner purchased it 9 months ago, brand new. And the only reason why he's selling it is because of health reasons. 1 through 10, 10 being the best as far as condition. This is definitely, I would rate it a 9. I think any dealer would agree. The only reason why I say a 9 is there's a little dent on the back slide out, just a little surface dent on the skirting, and I'll show that to you. It's really just a non-issue, but anyway, let's go ahead and get started. This is a double slide travel trailer. First slide out is going to be a super slide. Accommodates the theater seating, dual recliners with heat and massage, and the boot dinette, which breaks down into a bed. Super slide's going to be, it's going to be at least 12 foot long, maybe even 14 foot long, and 3 foot deep. Show off the fabrics. This is going to be the ultra leather finish, and the leather is going to be like a dark brown, maybe even a black. Beautiful stitching. This is all residential style furniture in this coach. There's your Thomas Paine collection badge right there, and this is going to be your heated massage and light. Oh, let's turn on the lights. Forgot to do that. Here we go. Let's turn on this one. Pretty neat. Back up there, kind of show that off. And all the fabrics are showroom condition. Nice USB charging port here. Your boot dinette, as I said, breaks down into a bed. Pretty easy to figure out on that. And again, ultra leather finish. You have night shades all throughout. All your lights are all LED. Pan around to the rear here. This is going to be a desk area. Not sure where the chair is, but nice huge big rear window for more light, or if you want to back up to a lake lot. And beautiful kind of a smoked or etched glass finish. Some of the drawers. Cabinet fronts, and your hardware is all going to be brushed nickel hardware. Not sure what they're calling the cabinet color. It's definitely a dark wood stain. Your refrigerator is going to be a 6 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator, automatic on gas and electric. You can run it pretty much anywhere you go. You got a cold fridge a couple hours later, and it is automatic. You just switch it on. A couple hours later, you are ready to go. Here's your Dometic badge right there. And you are not preset. You can actually set the temperature setting on this, which is kind of neat. Usually they're preset, and this is cold. The owner had it on when I came. This coach, again, it's showroom condition. It's going to be your second slide out. It's definitely going to be a super slide, another super slide. It's going to be at least 10 foot long, maybe even 12 foot long, and it accommodates the kitchen and the entertainment center. Nice Furion glass front oven. Never been used, it looks like. 3-burner gas cooktop with glass lid. Front burners usually going to be a high output. Microwave with stainless steel finish. Lots of counter space. And you do have the island kitchen. Back up here. Your sink is going to be the farmer sink, which is definitely a neat concept. It's undermounted. A lot of residential feel on this camper. Nice Bowen style square faucet. Kind of back up here, kind of show off all the storage. Nice 110 outlet right there. And also in the slide out is the power lift TV and fireplace, which is basically a space heater. And your stereo's a Jensen. Bluetooth, smart device ready. You are ready to go. CD, DVD, all the good stuff. And your power lift button is right here for the TV. You get the idea. I believe that's 32-inch flat screen. All right, back up here. All your flooring is all going to be residential grade vinyl flooring. And show off. Kind of looks like a tile look, like a stone. All right, walking into the side hallway, into the master bedroom. I do want to point out, you do have a motion detector light in your entryway right here, which is really neat. Master bedroom, it's a queen bed. Queen bed does lift up. It's ultra plush mattress. That may be a Denver mattress, by the way. I do know it's a name brand. Not sure which brand, but definitely a very comfortable mattress. You do have arched ceilings, radius roof, and for better water runoff, nice TV here in the master bedroom. I believe that's going to be a 22-inch flat screen, and it is on a pivoting arm. Show that there. Nice closet space. Lots of closet space, actually. I do check all campers for water damage. Did not find any issues with this. Usually I'll check inside the cabinets and in all four corners and look for any wrinkling in the wallboard. This is a dual AC travel trailer. It's equipped with dual ACs. This is probably going to be a 13,500 BTU AC unit in the bedroom. And of course you do have ducted AC that's connected to the 15,000 BTU in the living room. That's your primary AC. Your furnace on this camper is going to be a 35,000 BTU furnace. Here's your primary AC. And show off the bathroom here. You have foot flush porcelain toilet. Nice large shower with skylight. Nice area here for towels, odds and ends. And nice vanity area with an actual medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Nice vent fans, and I do want to point out the owner did upgrade the vent fans, the actual covers on them. They've got Max Air vent covers. That is definitely a nice feature to have. You can leave the vents open even when it's raining. Get the stuffy smells out. I do want to also point out while I'm showing off the ceiling, skylight in the kitchen area. That's your arched ceiling. And I do want to point out on the AC, primary one in here, it does have a quick dump feature, so you cool it off real quick. Once you get cooled off, shut off the louvers, and you've got ducted AC all throughout. Okay, before I go outside, show off the monitor panel here. Pretty easy to figure out. You do have, of course, your ceiling lights here, and this is going to be your exterior light, patio light, and water pump here. Easy to figure out. This is going to be your gas and electric switches for your water heater, which is 6-gallon gas electric. Whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power, you have hot water within 15 minutes. It's going to be slide button 1, slide button 2. It's going to be your power awning. And this is going to be your monitor panel for your battery. Fully charged freshwater tank, which is, I believe, 52-gallon. Your black water tank, which is your toilet, which I believe is 49-gallon. And your gray water tank is going to be 71-gallon. All right. Oh, and this is going to be your digital thermostat. Control the climate. Walking outside here. Looks like it's starting to rain here, so hopefully that doesn't get me. But I do want to point out this is a full aluminum frame sidewall construction. Nice, beautiful, partially molded front cap here. It's gel coated, and you do have nice LED light accent. On the front here, you do have the power hitch jack with cover. Let's go ahead and put that on so it doesn't blow away. And you do have the large, I think they're 30-pound LP tanks with cover. Of course, there's your battery. The owner does have a really nice Blue Ox hitch system. It does not come with the trailer, but if you're interested, ask the owner. He did pay extra for that when he purchased the trailer. So if you're interested, just ask the owner. Let's go ahead and show off. Your baggage doors have magnets on them. Keeps up the baggage doors, which is a neat concept that they should have done a long time ago. There's your aluminum framing. Huge pass-through storage in here, and this little light here is also motion detector. You do have 4 heavy-duty manual stabilizer jacks. One of the ones in the rear are bent a little bit. It's just steel. It bends right back. You can bend it right back. I do want to point out it does have fully enclosed and heated underbelly. All your gate valves are all protected, so you can go into extreme weather if you wanted that option on this camper. Tinted windows. I believe the window tint's going to be I think it's going to be 80% tint, and this is your Arctic insulation package with that 4 seasons insulation protection. You have a nice 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and they are nitro filled. Show off that Grand Design Imagine badge right there. Before I go too far, I do want to point out it does have really cool exterior speakers with LED light accent. Your awning, power awning, is going to be, I believe, it's going to be at least an 18-foot power awning with LED lights all the way through, and all the LEDs are working. Nice exterior kitchen. It's going to be a dorm style fridge. It's probably a 2 cubic foot maybe dorm style fridge. Never been used, it looks like. And you do have a 2 burner gas cooktop out here. Just close that up and grab this door. And you're ready to go. Back up here, show you what it looks like from the front rear patio area. It's going to be that heavy-duty manual stabilizer jack that's bent a little bit. Easy to fix. I just told the owners, he didn't even realize it. Spare tire with cover. That may have been part of a package. You are prepped for a backup camera on the trailer. Nice ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof to access your dual AC units. Oh, I do want to point out, this trailer is pretty much fully loaded for 2019 Imagine. I did check for delamination, which is the bubbling on the outside, and stress cracks around the slide outs, and I did not find any issues. Delamination is that bubbling you get, caused usually by water damage. 6-gallon gas electric water heater service panel there. There's going to be low point drain valves, easy to winterize. There's one of your gate valves that are actually enclosed and protected up into the underbelly. It's one of your dump valves. And here's a little dent on the slide out skirting. I'm not sure if I can get it in the video, but it's right here. And the owners didn't even realize that it was there, but I look for stuff like that. So sometimes if I didn't point it out, you probably wouldn't even notice it. All the tires, everything's in excellent condition. This trailer is ready to go. 35,000 BTU furnace exhaust right there. Nice exterior light for when you're hooking up your sewer hose right here. And there's another one of your dump valves right here. And there's another one. So you've got, looks like you've got 2 gray tanks on this, one for the bathroom, one for the galley. 50 amp service, and you do have a light here to show that you do have shore power coming in, which is really nice. And it's a black tank sewer flush. It washes out your toilet tank. You don't have to drag a hose inside anymore. Let's back up here, kind of show off that back side and show off those vent covers. Those Max Air vent covers, those are nice. Keep the vents open when it's raining, not have to worry about water coming in. The owner did, he purchased a lot of stuff after purchasing the trailer. So anyway, if you're interested, definitely in the Blue Ox hitch, yeah, definitely ask him. That's going to be one of the best hitches you can get. Let's show off your hookups, Waterworks hookups here. While I'm outside here, this is going to be your freshwater holding tank, 52-gallon gravity fill right here. And It's going to be hot and cold running water, outside shower. You also do have a spray port by the kitchen, a little support where you can hook this hose up, and so you've got outside shower by the kitchen area too. There's going to be a battery disconnect, saves you on your battery when you're not using the trailer, so you don't have to worry about if you left a light on or something like that. It's going to be your switch for city and freshwater fill. It's going to be your hookup for hooking up your water hose. It's going to be cable hookups right here, 110 hookups right here. It's going to be your winterizer hose right here, and just follow the directions that they have. Pretty easy to figure out. It's going to be your switch for your front LED light accent on the front cap, and again, motion detector light, service light right here. Oh, and I do want to point out the unloaded vehicle weight is actually right here on this white sticker. UVW, unloaded vehicle weight, 7,056 pounds. And you do have solar hookup right here above that marker light. Okay. I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. It's a beautiful trailer, and there's still a little bit of a factory warranty left on it, so the owners have only owned it, I believe, for 9 months. Anyway, if you're interested in the trailer, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.